Hey, Tux. Hey, dude. Where you hiding from? Nobody, just chilling, seeing what's going on. You better run. You know Duffy. Grumpy don't want you around. That's why I'm back here. All right. It's good to see you. I don't think so. Oh, he's not bothering you. But he might eat me. Yeah, you might. You better fly off, little Junko. I won't eat them. Then why are you hiding back there, Tux? I'm coming out. I'm opening this door. Don't run. Or run out here. Hey, I'm out of here. All right. He ran away. He doesn't like peanuts. No, he wants to eat you, Squeaky. Ooh.